Hey guys, I'm just after shower, so I thought it's perfect time to try these new goodies I got from ALYA Skin. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly, so I think without any further ado, let's see what we have. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and suitable for all skin types. Products I got is ALYA Skin Foaming Micellar Cleanser, infused with witch hazel and watermelon seed oil. Rejuvenates and hydrates. My skin should be clean now, because, oh, good to know. Because I'm just after shower, but I was still gonna do this. Okay, let me quickly wash this off. I actually love how my skin feels after this, because a lot of face cleansers, it's not makeup remover, it's a face cleanser. A lot of these kind of face cleansers tends to dry my skin. Although I do have oily skin, I still have a sensitive skin, so a lot of these kind of face washes tends to dry my skin a lot. This doesn't do that, like literally. Yeah, it feels nice. My skin feels nice after this. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Pore Perfecting Elixir with 2% salicylic acid and 3.5 niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. This potent potion assists in balancing and dissolving excess oil, preventing nasty breakouts and stubborn blackheads. It is an efficacious treatment that helps calm redness, minimize pores, and maintain the skin's moisture levels. Now this feels very nice on my skin. Look how glowy my skin looks. As a first try, love it. Okay, I have one more thing in here, the Vitamin C Supercharged Serum. Say bye-bye to dull, dry skin and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Ooh, love it. Say hello to soft, smooth and supple skin with improved collagen production and skin elasticity. You guys, this feels so nice on. As a first impressions review, I mean, I'm gonna come closer to camera. Oh, how glowy my skin looks. So I'm gonna use this for at least a week or so, and I'm gonna come back to you in the comment section to tell you how my skin feels and how is it going. Because I feel like with any skincare product, you know, you can't just say from first try how good or bad it is. I mean, first impressions, huge thumbs up from me, amazing. But longer use, I'm gonna let you know how it all goes. So far, yeah, love it. Because I mean, just look at my skin. Yeah. Really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, let me know what you think. And yeah, I shall see you soon. So thank you so much for watching. Bye! Have a fantastic day, you guys. Ciao for now.